Hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're going to do a local SEO audit for a carpet cleaning company. That's right, we're doing a local SEO audit for a carpet cleaning company. My name is William. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a local SEO audit. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to pull up this website. I've got quite a few of them to do. So this is a local carpet cleaning company that needs an SEO audit. If you look at the sites, when I'm number one, you don't even have a logo up here. You still have a Divi theme. You need to get that done, taken care of. You do have a sticky header. You don't have a call to action. Okay, so you need to get your call to action done and put up here. You have upholstery, carpet cleaning. You have your, I'm going to hope this is your H1. You have a form. Once again, most people do not want to put in forms. They're going to want a call button. Okay, this should be click to call. It is. It's good. Let's go ahead and look at your headers and see how many you got. So this one up here at the very top, your halo right here, this is an H2. Very first header should always be an H1 header. Your H1 is actually here. This should be H1 up here. It should say carpet cleaning service Boca Raton. Down here should be an H2. We'll go through the site. Overall, on most of the sites I've looked at, you definitely have your internal linking. You have your, if you will, your content on point. You're missing your GMB reviews being posted in here, your GMB embed. You have a video, which is good. I could look at the video for you and tell you if it's optimized the way I do things, and it is not. This is a very basic optimization. If you look at any of the videos I do, it's, it's well, I have brand name in here, I have latitude, longitude. I do have the citation information, but I also then take the entire blog I'm doing, put it in here, and internally link it back to the blog, interlink it to the press release, interlink it to the Google's News Network. Okay. You don't even have on this one, if you see up here at the top, you don't even have your favicon icon changed. You need to fix that. I mean, it's little things. You don't have your social media. You don't have your logo. You still have the Divi theme logo. So this is a WordPress site. You got this here, places to find us on the web, which tells me you probably have had someone do this for you, have done some SEO for you in the past and thought this was a good idea. It's okay. It's not anything that's going to work wonders or anything like that. Let's look at your services. Now on your services pages, you don't have much content at all, which is unusual knowing I've seen your other websites that we've already audited. You have your internal linking, but very little content. Need more content on these. On your location pages, once again, your main GMB is going to be filtered out because this is for Boca Raton, yet you have Boca Raton and Delray GMBs both tied on this website. This is one of the many reasons why I say it over and over and over and over again to try to get it through everybody is do not tie multiple GMBs to one website. You want one website per GMB. I know there are other people out there who will tell you opposite, but I deal with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of clients, thousands of GMBs, and this is always an issue with almost anybody I deal with. Multiple GMBs on one website, some of these GMBs are going to be filtered, okay? Generally, the main GMB. So put separate GMBs on separate websites, okay? Your location pages, if you don't have my location page sought, make sure to comment below and get it. As usual, this is not a location page. This is not set up the way it should be set up. If you want to see how a proper location page should be set up, I'm going to show you this. Okay, go over here to St. Louis. This is one of the sites we did. We have all the services on here. The only thing changes is the headers. In the very bottom of this, we have all the neighborhoods for that area hyperlinked to the GMaps. We have the weather app. We have the top sites, things to do, top neighborhoods, everything tied in with the local map. Okay, that is a proper location page. Now, if we go to gallery, it's usually photos, stuff like that. That's decent. If we go over here to your images, let's look at your images. You have several without title, 28, and then 28 without alts. Your headers, you have no H1 on here at all. You're missing H1s throughout the website. Let's go to services. Just look at this one, see if you got an H1 here or not. I mean, we could do this in depth, but like this one has an H1, which is good. It's this right here on your service page, but you're missing content, your facts page. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's not that good, but it's all right. It's better than nothing. It's just kind of thrown on there. You don't want to just throw something on there like you're throwing fucking spaghetti on a wall and seeing what sticks. There's a methodology. Get your foundations right. Get your schema. Get your location pages. Get your content. Get your Google My Business embeds on there. Get your reviews embedded in there. Get the textual reviews embedded there. All these different things that we go over, get them embedded on there. If you don't have my spreadsheet on doing an audit, make sure comment below and get it. Now if we take this and let's go ahead and we're going to do just to analyze the Google Core Vitals and see if you actually pass it. Most of the time people are not passing them just because they don't know what they're doing, especially with a lot of these template builders and things like that. They just don't know what the hell they're doing. They're just trying to build sites, get them ranked, and sometimes most people are just doing the best of their ability. Right now it's at 83%. Once again, if you don't have my Google Toolkit, get it. As I thought, you don't pass Google Core Vitals, right? On desktop, you don't even pass, which is terrible. This is another reason why I don't use Divi. The Divi theme usually gives you results like this. So you're going to need to have this website rebuilt and built out properly. Let's look on your contact page just to see if you even have the GMB on the contact page. You don't even have the GMB embedded on the contact page. So this site needs a lot of work. Now, if we go over here to your actual audit report, I use all-in-one Power Suite. The tool that I'm using to actually look at everything on page is called SEO Meta in one click. You have 293 issues that need to be fixed. You have 400 status codes. You have some 19 broken links. You have empty meta description, empty alt titles. All that stuff needs to be fixed. I'm going to send this detailed report over to you as well. And once you get it, if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like for us to fix all these issues for you, let me know. Otherwise, just ask me any questions you want and I will gladly help you. Remember, I'm here to help you. Make sure you comment below, asking questions you may have below, or maybe you even have a website you want me to audit. Comment it below and I'll do the same thing for you as well as I did for this client here. And you guys have a great day and be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners and hate.